Alright guys, once again thank you to subscribing to my channel. And for the grand finale, I've got two 1-gallon jugs filled with water and some bad milk, which unfortunately leaked in my car. So I gotta get home so I can clean that crap up. I'm gonna get real close, so hopefully this thing will explode. Hell yeah. Close enough for you? Ooh, that feels good. One more. I'm not gonna pause it. Hell. %. Better for you. Awesome. All right, be safe and good shooting. Woo!